know you probably use ChatGPT for many different tasks, but do you really know how to use it strategically to make your advertising campaigns more effective? In this tutorial, we learn how to craft smarter prompts that can help you brainstorm ideas, analyze data, and even design creative strategies that take your campaigns to the next level. Alright, let's do a quick example of how to communicate with ChatGPT using a strong prompt structure. Remember, a good prompt usually includes 4 elements: role, task, context, and output format. I show you how this works with just 2 parts of a marketing campaign: the target audience and the key message. Your task is to develop the complete campaign strategy outline. Let's do this. So here is how I might write the prompt. So I'm gonna write, you are a marketing strategist. Your task is to help me outline part of a campaign strategy. The product is a new eco-friendly water bottle designed for university students. First, identify a clear target audience profile, demographics, psychographics, and behaviors. Then propose one key advertising message that would resonate with that audience. Present the result in 2 short sections with headings: target audience and key message. So let's just click enter. As you can see, now we have the target audience and the key message. So notice how I gave ChatGPT a role, explained the task, gave context about the product, and asked for a specific output format. So this is how you can use structured prompts to get a clear and useful answer from ChatGPT. In your project, you'll expand this to a full campaign outline, covering all elements we discussed, but always keep in mind the power of writing a good prompt. See you in the next video. Bye!